Successful integration of sensors into machines requires expertise to assimilate everything into a system. A 100% plug-and-weigh device gives you the ability to safely and easily integrate weight and control. What is beyond 100%? At the point of startup, you will receive 100% accurate and reliable weight with local approvals based on industry standards, including globally recognized documentation based on your exact requirements. A 100% competitive edge comes through faster network data, improving your machine's performance for higher throughput. Achieve 100% reliability through smart sensors and condition monitoring that notify your customers when action is required. Thousands of factory-trained service specialists worldwide are available for calibration, adjustment, approval, and startup. Plug-and-weigh connectivity available for any capacity saves you valuable engineering hours during design, implementation, and factory acceptance with access to thousands of weighing experts. Eliminates your startup headaches 100% of the time.